Understanding the Curriculum Framework, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important educational concept that can sometimes be a bit confusing: the curriculum framework. Whether you're a student, a teacher, or just curious about education, understanding this term is key to grasping how learning is structured and what you can expect in an educational program. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery together. A curriculum framework is essentially a blueprint for education. It outlines the goals, standards, and learning outcomes that students are expected to achieve at different stages of their education. Think of it as a map that guides teachers and educational institutions on what to teach, how to teach it, and what students should be able to do as a result of their learning. This framework ensures that no matter where you study, there are certain knowledge and skills you are expected to gain. The curriculum framework is made up of several important parts. Goals. These are the broad objectives of education within a country, state, or educational institution. Goals focus on the overall development of students, including intellectual, emotional, and social aspects. Standards. Standards specify what students should know and be able to do at different grade levels or stages of education. They ensure consistency and quality across different educational settings. Learning outcomes. These are specific skills or knowledge that students are expected to acquire. Outcomes are measurable and observable, making it clear whether or not the goals and standards have been met. Assessment methods. The framework also includes ways to evaluate if students are meeting the expected learning outcomes, such as tests, projects, or presentations. Understanding the curriculum framework is crucial for several reasons. It ensures educational equity, meaning all students have access to a quality education that meets certain standards. It helps educators design courses and lessons that are aligned with educational goals and standards. For students, it clarifies the expectations and learning objectives they need to achieve, guiding their study and preparation. It enables parents and guardians to understand what their children are learning and why, fostering better support at home. We hope this video has shed some light on the concept of a curriculum framework and its significance in the educational landscape. Whether you're learning English, teaching it, or just interested in how education systems work, understanding these frameworks can provide valuable insights into the structure and goals of education. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more informative content. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.